Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see the first photo you ever liked on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. And then you need to click on three bars in the top right. And then you need to click on your activity. And once you are here, you simply need to click on interactions. And then you need to click on likes, and then you need to click on newest to oldest, and then you need to apply filter oldest to newest. Click on apply, and here you can see that this is the first photo I ever liked on Instagram on October 15, 2018. So this is the process by which you can see the first photo you ever liked on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.